Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create content. Not just analyze, but actually generate completely new things. Like text, images, videos, music, code, and even 3D models. Tools you already know, like ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALL, Gemini, all use generative AI. In simple words, generative AI learns patterns from huge amounts of data, and then produces something new that looks like it was made by a human. So how does it work? Most modern generative AI uses something called large language models, or LLMs. Think of an LLM as a very advanced prediction engine. You give it some input, and it predicts the next word, or the next pixel, or even the next video frame. It's not copying. It's recognizing patterns and generating something original based on probability and context. Behind the scenes, these systems use neural networks, transformers, massive datasets, and powerful GPUs. The good news: you don't need to understand the math to use it. Generative AI is already transforming industries. In software development, it helps write and debug code. In design, it creates logos, art, and animations. In healthcare, it helps with drug discovery and medical imaging. In business, it automates emails, reports, and customer support. In entertainment, it helps create music, scripts, and game assets. In education, it personalizes learning. Used properly, it boosts creativity, speed, and productivity. But yes, there are risks. Generative AI can sometimes produce incorrect answers, biased results, copyright-like content, or deepfakes. So companies are adding safety checks and guardrails. Responsible AI is becoming a major focus. And that's the basics of generative AI. Simple, powerful, and already shaping the future. In the next video, we'll explore agentic AI, a level above generative AI, where systems can reason, plan, and even take actions on their own. Stay tuned. And thanks for watching Daily Tech Dive.